Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you how you can request a refund for a game that you have purchased on your PlayStation 5. So there's no option to directly request a refund from the PlayStation. So for this you will need to open a web browser on your phone or computer and search for this refund for a purchase on PlayStation Store. Once you have done that, click on the first link that appears. Here you will see a few options. So the first thing you'll need to do is ensure that your purchase is eligible for a refund. So in order to get a refund, you must not have downloaded the game or played it by any chance. Also, you need to request a refund within the 14 days of the purchase. If your purchase meets these two requirements, you can head over to the top and click on this request refund link. Now click on this contact PlayStation support tab and follow the on-screen prompts. Alternatively, you can also click on this online assistant option here. Now you'll need to enter your full name to get started. Now click on this start chatting button here. Now you just need to answer a few questions to submit a request for a refund. Again, you must not have downloaded or streamed the game, otherwise you won't be eligible for the refund. Once you provide all the necessary information, the PlayStation Online Assistant will redirect you to an agent and you should then be able to submit a request for a refund. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.